Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Food Review. Now we're doing something different with. There are 3 foods that I'm going to try out. From Subway. The first one I'm going to try out is the spicy nacho chicken sub. I think that's what they call it, but if I can open it. There you go. So I'm gonna open it. Yeah, well, this baby. What it is a I put everything on it. It's a spicy nacho chicken sub. Yeah, the wrap was very good, and I'm going to try the sandwich this time. But also, I'm going to also try out I think it's a nut Baja Chipotle. Yep. Let's see, it is a Baja Chipotle dip. And inside this little bag there is the pepperoni and cheese dipper. We're going to try that later. And last but not least, this is the honey mustard seen here. And what we're trying out, another foot-long kick, or should get one out. One of those dippers. Is the chicken and cheese dipper. Alright. But first, I'm going to try out this sub and see how good that is. And we'll be graded separately. We're going to try this. Now, I'm wearing my big boy shirt. So I'm just trying out this dip right here. And then we're going to try out the chicken one with this honey mustard one. Okay, the chicken one. If I can, I'll have to wipe it off. All right, we're gonna have kind of a little scores on it, and what I would suggest, but on the spicy nacho chicken sub, I'm not getting the taste like you would on a wrap. It was on a sub. And I'll try again to see what. I'm not getting that nacho taste of it on the bread. So if I had to pick which one I should choose on the spicy nacho chicken sub, or you want it on a wrap. So it was better tasting. It was on the wrap. I'm gonna rate that score. It's disappointing. I'm gonna give it a 5.6 out of that. Pepperoni and cheese dipper, I am not impressed by it. I mean, it's $3. It's kind of worth it, but but when it's all said and done, it wasn't doing any good taste with that Baja sauce. Now, if I were to change it a little bit, instead of a Baja sauce, try marinara sauce, see how that works, and then go from there. But with the Baja sauce and the pepperoni cheese dipper, I'm going to give that a 4.2. On the chicken and cheese, I'm also not impressed by it either. I mean, chicken and honey mustard, chicken tidbits, and then you put it in the wrap, or on the foot-long dippers, whatever they call it. Honey mustard and chicken tastes great, but none of it's working. But on the honey mustard and chicken was good, but in a flatbed wrap like that, I'm not too impressed by it. I won't get these foot-long dippers again. I'm going to rate the chicken and cheese dipper out of 10. I'm going to give that a 3.2. I wouldn't want to get the sub again. I would not get the dippers again. Other than that, that is it for this food review. So if you liked this review, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Food Review. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like. Comment on this video or any other videos I posted. And subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye-bye.